Welcome to Dev Pro Hub. Get ready for AWS Solutions Architect Associate Practical Q&A. This series of videos will cover the topic, AWS Well-Architected Framework to help you ace the exam. Which pillar of the AWS Well-Architected Framework focuses on the ability to recover from failures? A. Security. B. Reliability. C. Performance efficiency. D. Operational excellence. Two, which AWS service provides insights into AWS well-architected framework best practices? A. AWS Trusted Advisor. B. AWS Well-Architected Tool. C. AWS CloudTrail. D. AWS Config. Three, under the performance efficiency pillar, which AWS service helps with auto-scaling applications? A. AWS Lambda. B. Amazon EC2 auto-scaling. C. AWS WAF. D. Amazon RDS. Fourth, which pillar emphasizes applying security at all layers of the workload? A. Reliability. B. Security. C. Performance efficiency. D. Cost optimization. Five, what is the recommended way to manage AWS access credentials under the security pillar? A. Store credentials in S3. B. Hardcode credentials in applications. C. Use IAM roles and policies. D. Share root user credentials with developers. Sixth, which design principle under the reliability pillar helps prevent cascading failures? A. Implementing loosely coupled architectures. B. Over-provisioning resources. C. Running everything in a single availability zone. D. Using monolithic application design. Seven, how does AWS Lambda support the performance efficiency pillar? A. Provides auto-scaling without provisioning servers. B. Requires manual server management. C. Runs only on EC2 instances. D. Is not recommended for performance. Eight, what is a key practice for cost optimization in AWS? A. Running all instances as on demand. B. Using AWS savings plans. C. Storing all data in Amazon RDS. D. Running workloads in a single region. Nine, how can an application be made resilient against availability zone failures? A. Deploying in a single availability zone. B. Using multi-AZ deployment. C. Increasing EC2 instance size. D. Using Amazon CloudTrail. Ten, which AWS service helps improve operational efficiency by automating infrastructure management? A. AWS Systems Manager. B. AWS CloudFront. C. Amazon S3. D. AWS Direct Connect. Eleven, what is a primary goal of the cost optimization pillar? A. Achieving the highest possible performance. B. Using reserved instances and spot instances effectively. C. Storing all data in high-performance storage. D. Using manual scaling over auto-scaling. Twelve, how does AWS support the reliability pillar? A. Provides auto-scaling groups. B. Requires manual workload management. C. Does not offer disaster recovery solutions. D. Runs only on a single data center. 13. Which AWS service provides centralized visibility into security and compliance? A. AWS IAM. B. AWS Security Hub. C. Amazon CloudWatch. D. AWS Code Pipeline. (14) Which practice aligns with the operational excellence pillar? A. Using infrastructure as code. B. Manually configuring resources. C. Running workloads with no monitoring. D. Ignoring security best practices. (15) Which AWS tool helps measure architecture alignment with AWS best practices? A. AWS Well-Architected Tool. B. AWS CloudFormation. C. Amazon EC2. D. AWS Batch. (16) What is the purpose of AWS Trusted Advisor? A. To monitor application logs. B. To provide AWS cost and security recommendations. C. To launch EC2 instances. D. To analyze network latency. (17) Under the performance efficiency pillar, which AWS storage service is optimized for high performance? A. Amazon S3. B. Amazon FSx. C. AWS Glacier. D. AWS Backup. (18) Which AWS service helps track API activity for security and compliance? A. AWS CloudTrail. B. AWS Secrets Manager. C. Amazon RDS. D. AWS Route 53. (19) What is a key practice in designing for performance efficiency? A. Using the latest AWS instance types. B. Running workloads on the oldest available hardware. C. Avoiding distributed architectures. D. Manually scaling applications. (20) How can an organization protect sensitive data at rest? A. Encrypting data using AWS KMS. B. Storing unencrypted data in Amazon S3. C. Using plaintext database credentials. D. Disabling IAM policies. (21) What is a key design principle in the well-architected framework? A. Implementing a loosely coupled architecture. B. Using a monolithic application structure. C. Minimizing automation. D. Running workloads in a single region. (22) Which AWS service is commonly used for monitoring AWS workloads? A. Amazon CloudWatch. B. AWS Code Deploy. C. Amazon S3. D. AWS Route 53. (23) How does AWS help with disaster recovery? A. Through multi-AZ deployments and backup strategies. B. By requiring users to manage backups manually. C. By storing backups in the same region only. D. By providing only RDS backups. (24) What is a key factor in designing for cost optimization? A. Using auto-scaling and spot instances. B. Deploying workloads in a single availability zone. C. Always running high-performance instances. D. Using the same instance type for all workloads. 25. How does AWS improve reliability for database workloads? A. Implementing Amazon RDS multi-AZ dot. B. Running databases only on EC2. C. Avoiding backups. D. Using a single availability zone. 26. Which tool helps manage secrets securely? A. AWS Secrets Manager. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon RDS. What does AWS CloudFormation enable? A. Infrastructure as Code, IAC. B. Manual deployment of applications. C. Single availability zone deployments. D. Running applications without monitoring. How does Amazon Guard Duty support security? A. By detecting suspicious activities and threats. B. By encrypting data at rest. C. By providing database replication. D. By managing IAM users. Which AWS service provides centralized compliance reporting? A. AWS Audit Manager. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS Batch. D. AWS Code Deploy. 30. How can an application handle unexpected traffic spikes? A. By using Elastic Load Balancer and auto-scaling groups. B. By provisioning fixed EC2 instances. C. By limiting user requests. D. By running in a single availability zone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.